Actually, as I said just now that you totally disagree
This totally
about
disagree.
banning the
Social
social
media
media.
in Asia.
if the government has a big reason, as I said just now, regarding to my speech just now, if the government has a big reason, a great reason to ban them, as to protect our sovereignty,
Yeah.
the kedaulatan, sovereignty of Indonesian sovereignty, to protect Indonesian sovereignty. What do you think? This banning, this is displease you, or are you pleased with the wisdom of government?
Yeah,
Because
talking about banning social media in Indonesia, I really completely a lot of people in Indonesia disagree about that.
I mean-
they will please.
I mean, the banning of social media is to protect the sovereignty of Indonesia. Because, as I assume from my question, sometimes maybe sometimes in the future, the sovereignty of Indonesia is in dangers.
Yeah.
It's been interrupted by advanced country. So our government is taking the wisdom to ban the social media. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I just do like government say in Indonesia. Just be following a good follower, and then just let government ban it. If the main time just protect for Indonesian people,
Ah.
just protect, right? Yeah, just protect. If it cannot. Now when you open the porn site, this is banned. I love that. Even though not 100% is it working, just a little, it's okay. Because nowadays every teenagers nowadays from from elementary school and then junior high school, they knew what their father eat. They know what their father eat. You know that?
What are you talking about, man?
Yeah, I have made that one.
Oh my god.
They couldn't imagine that, right? They knew what their father eat, right? That's fun, man. Yeah, totally very dangerous nowadays. It's doing that. Even though my neighborhood, when playing game like very just your bikini and then use pants,